Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Valentin Dish. Assurances were given that the pending smart city works in the city will be wrapped up by May 31st. However, the reality on the ground paints a starkly different picture. The city remains marred by dug-up roads, perilous pits, and a myriad of other hazards, casting doubts on the promises made. Watch.
It comes as no surprise though. No right-thinking Panjimite expected the officials to be smart enough to complete this. Meanwhile, the monsoon is about to set in and the deadline set by Imagine Panji Smart City Development Limited for completing the works is expiring in another 48 hours. The road stretches from Altonho Slope to Bhatlem, road near Kakulo Mall. Roads in Mala are yet to be completed. On Tuesday, 28th May, the IPSCDL announced opening of stretches from Dada Vadya Road, from Single Bookstore to Mahalakshmi Temple and General Bernardo Geddes Road, from Woodland Store to Geeta Bakery to Government Printing Press. But the question is, what about other roads? Was the deadline given to just pacify the people of the city, who were forced to knock on the doors of the judiciary to seek relief from the dust pollution and traffic snarls? Upendra Naik for Herald TV.
The MLA of Panjim visited the smart city works in the city and gave an assurance that works will be completed on time amidst the haphazards being done across the city. While the court was told that the smart city pending works will be completed by May 31st, the hogwash of these promises is scattered all over Panjim in the form of dug roads, deadly pits and other assorted injury traps.
Panjim MLA Babush Monserrat stated that 90% of the major work is completed and the remaining will be completed during monsoons. Meanwhile, the monsoon is about to set in and the deadline set by Imagine Panji Smart City Development Limited (IPSCDL) for completing the works is expiring in another 24 hours. On Tuesday, 28th May, the IPSCDL announced the opening of 3 roads in Panjim city, but the question is, what about the other roads?
काम कंप्लीट झालेले आता कितें काम उरलेलें आहा थोडे मेन होड उरलेले आहा so it may just take another 4-5 days basically to complete it but the speed the work is been going on so we are basically satisfied in the way how the work has been going. Most of the work basically will be completed by 31st. That's another 1 day is left. Most of it will be completed. Now rest is what pavements and all that can be done during the monsoon. What we were afraid of, because in the monsoon that waterlogging and may take. Now as far as 18 June road, still when monsoon comes, waterlogging will take place still because that road we have not touched. So that road will be done only after the monsoon, because that is the main basically drainage which has got which is coming from Punekar Nagar. Till right it should go near the petrol pump.
Okay, बाबू जी आता फास्ट काम करता है last moment. तो quality जाता है उधर.
Quality and कामांग is two different things. Quality what is the specification केलेले आहा quality. What is the quality? What is required to maintain a quality, that has been done. Their engineers are on the job as far as the thing. Plus there will be a condition for them. If there is anything goes wrong, that they have got to replace it or do it up again.
पण पणजेकार सफर जावचे ना परतन जर रिप्लेस करचे पडले जाल्यार काम
हांव कितें म्हणटा जालें that's what I'm trying to say. So no one will be left scot free.
So कितली % कामां आता कंप्लीट झाले अंदाज एक सर?
Now they said it almost 90% कामां कंप्लीट झालेले आहा. Now थोडे मेन होल्स उरलेले आहा, so another 4-5 दिसांनी जावंक जाय. As far as cafe रियला कडेन बी थिंगा गेल्ले आहा. So that rest what is the footpaths and all. That can, even if it's not completed, it can be completed during when the rains are.
So Babuji, after the rain,
90% झाल्या कशी कामां जाली. आमकां दिसता न्हू, तुमकांय दिसता न्हू, तुमी पळयलेलें आहा compared to this thing. And now what is the observation has been done even by the Honorable High Court. Honorable High Court judges basically came and visited the site.
Upendra for Herald TV.
As Goa commemorates its statehood day, President of the Delgado Konkani Academy, Celso Fernandez, has raised questions regarding the government's dedication to preserving the linguistic heritage of Konkani. Experts argue that while lip service is paid to linguistic preservation, concrete action are lacking from the government. Watch.
घटक राज्य आमकां मेळ्ळें पण ताजे पयलींची एक दोन यशां आमची गोंयकारांची तांचो उल्लेख करपाकूच जाय आनी तातूंतले पयलें म्हळ्यार पुर्तुगीज राजवटींतल्यान मेळिल्ली मुक्ती त्या खातीर आमकां संघर्श करचो पडलो झूज करचें पडलें ताजे उपरांत आमकां जनमत कौल जें गोंय महाराष्ट्रांत विलीन जातलें आशिल्लें ताजे पासून मोठो संघर्श करून आमी गोंय वेगळें दवरलें आनी तिसरें जें यश आशिल्लें हें पयलीं राजभास आंदोलन आनी त्या राजभास आंदोलनांत कोंकणी ही राजभास जाली म्हणून आमकां घटक राज्य मेळपाक पावलें आनी घटक राज्याची जर बुनियाद कितें आसा जाल्यार ती कोंकणी भास आनी आयज घटक राज्य मेळप म्हणजे कितें फायनली घटक राज्य मेळप म्हणजे स्वायत्तता मेळप आपले निर्णय आपल्याक घेवपाचे अधिकार मेळप संघ प्रदेश आसतना कितें जातालें सगळे निर्णय दिल्लीच्यान जाताले गोंयाक वेगळी भास म्हणून नाशिल्ली जेन्ना राज्य जालें तेन्ना ते कोंकणी राजभास ह्या बुनयादीचेर जालें आनी गोंयकारांक आपले निर्णय आपणे घेवपाचो अधिकार प्राप्त जालो आयज आमी इतल्या वर्सांनी जेन्ना पळयतात तेन्ना दुर्दैवान फाटल्या 35-36 वर्सांक गोंय सरकार सादो आमचो आयचो घटक राज्य दीस मनयतना आमकां दिश्टी पडना इतली खंतीची गजाल इतली दुख्खाची गजाल म्हणजे जे आमकां स्वायत्तता मेळ्ळी ताजे बद्दल आमकां आनंद ना काय आमच्या सरकाराक ताजे बद्दलची लागणूक ना काय अशे तरेचो प्रस्न उबो जाता फाटल्या वर्साक एक अपवादात्मक एक कार्यावळ जाल्ली शासकीय पावंड्याचेर पण अदरवायज 87 सावन आज पर्यंत शासकीय पावंड्याचेर हो दीस मनयला अशें केन्ना घडिल्ल्याचें म्हजे तरी म्हायती भितर ना
सरकार 1-3-4 संस्थांक अनुदान दिता हो आर्थीक पालो सरकाराचो आसा पूण जाय त्या वेळार हो सहकार मेळना आनी ही कोंकणी राजभास करून ती भास करूंक ना ती लिपी केल्या आनी तातूंतल्यान लोकांच्या मदें एक भेदभाव उत्पन्न आयला तो सरकारान सोंपोवंक जाय सगळ्या गोंयकारांक खंयचे जातीचे न्हय खंयचे धर्माचे न्हय तांकां घेवन ही कोंकणी भास वयर व्हरूंक जाय आनी ती करपाक सरकारान ह्या सगळ्या संस्थां बरोबर वावरून आमची भास फुडें व्हरूंक जाय सरूंक जाय तितली सरूंक ना ती करपाक सरकारान वेता थंय कोंकणींतल्यान वेव्हार करूंक जाय अदीक करून आमच्या ऑफिसांनी कचेरींनी हो वावर कोंकणींतल्यानूच जावंक जाय तेन्ना कोंकणीचो मोग कोंकणीची गरज लोकांक समजतली आनी लोकूय कोंकणी सवें ओडून येतलो आतां लोक जाणा कोंकणीची गरज ना देखून लोक येयना त्या पासत सरकारान हो मुद्दो मतीन दवरूंक जाय आनी सगळ्या ऑफिशियल वावरान कोंकणीक वयलो जागो दिवंक जाय
कांय कचेरींनी सुद्दां नांवां सुद्दां आमकां कोंकणीन दिश्टी पडना सरकारी कचेरींनी
सारकें कचेरीची नांवां दिवंक जाय रस्त्याची नांवां सारकी कोंकणींतल्यान दिवंक जाय दोनूय लिपींनी दिवंक जाय रोमीन दिवंक जाय देवनागरीन दिवंक जाय आनी लोकांक समजूंक जाय की ही लोकांची भास देखून हे भाशेंतल्यान आमी ही नांवां वो आमी हे तकटे येता थंय मारल्या
गोवा स्टेटहूड जायचे आदीं पयलो जो ओपिनियन पोल आमकां 2 चॉयस दिल्ले मर्जर विथ महाराष्ट्र और युनियन टेरिटरी आमकां खरें म्हणल्यार आमकां एक स्पेशल स्टेटस मेळपाक जाय आशिल्लें कित्याक आमचे गोंयकारांचे हें चॉयस कसली दिवंक नासली India annexed Goa and we were not given a choice to decide what our future should be. Not exactly that we wanted anything beyond India's sovereignty or something like that, independence or special autonomy, but we could have safeguarded some of our rights and we wouldn't have had to fight so much today for so many things that are going wrong in this state. So after the opinion poll came the statehood, came much later, and Goa got some sort of autonomy, and with that, in spite of that sort of autonomy, today what we are watching is that whatever the center dictates, we are following. There is no 73rd, 74th amendment. Is practically not implemented in Goa. So there is no independence of the panchayats. Government does whatever it wants. So I feel that despite the statehood, we did not get whatever we want. We needed to have certain safeguards as far as Goa is concerned. For example, now the problem of dual nationality has come. Now, those of us who were born before 1961 were Portuguese citizens. And Portugal has given now the right to those people who were born before 61 and another 2 generations to have the Portuguese citizenship. Now, eventually what happens is those who were born before 61 had 2 nationalities. They became Indian citizens later and they were Portuguese citizens earlier. So what is being done now is transcription of this.
वेस्टेज फूड बाबतींत काळजांत कशी जाता. हांव एक अंतियात्रीस्ट तुपेज तेमांतलो. 1961 आमकां गोंयांत स्वतंत्र करून दिलें आमच्या वडिलांनी. आनी तेन्ना आमचें एकूच मागणें आसलें, गोंयची भास आमकां सेपरेट करून दिवपाक. तिवूय कशी तरी खंयचे तरेन तरी जाली खुशालकाय. पूण एकूच दूख भोगता सर, इतले भुरगे आमचे कोंकणी शिकोवनूय ताका कोंकणी उलोवन ताका गोंयांत सर्विसी मेळना. हाचेर सरकारान मातसो दोतोर घालपाक जाय. कित्याक सर्वीस ना, शिकतात भुरगे, भायर सोदतात, कोणाक ना. इतली सर्वीस आसाय तितले बायले हाडून सर्विसेक वतात. ही खोंत भोगता. जाता जाल्यार फुडाराक गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक गोंयांत रावपाक आनी संदी दिवची. शिकोवन बेकार उरता म्हणून गोंया सोडून त्या भायल्या देशांत वतात आनी भायल्या देशांतले दुडू हाडून आमच्या गोंयांत सांबाळतात. देखून हाचेर सरकारान थोडीशी नदर लावची आनी गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक तांकां कसली तरी कोंकणी उलयतल्यांक सर्वीस दिवची म्हणून म्हजें मागणें.
आज आमकां गोवा स्टेट फूड हें मेवलां म्हणून म्हाका काळजांत खुशालकाय भोगता. 1987 वर्साक हे स्टेट फूड आमकां फावो जालोलें आनी जायते हे स्टेट फूड फुडें सरून आमी जिखून घेतलें आनी एक घटक राज आमचें गोवा म्हणून आमकां फावो जालें. आनी आयज पासून आमचें गोंय राखून दवरलेलें आसा आनी गोंयांत जायते शिकणार आसात आनी गोंयकारांनी घटक राज म्हणून हें नामना ताका फावो जाल्यात. आनी ते घटक राज्याक लागून आमकां खुशालकाय भोगता की आमच्या गोवा शारांत आमकां सेपरेट स्टेट मेळोन आज गोंयचो लोक खुशाल जियेता. ताका लागून आमकां देवान बरें जीव दिवचें आनी फुडाराक की आमच्या गोंयांत तरणाट्यांक बरें शिकप दिवचें आनी आमच्या गोंयकारांक गोंयांतूच सिरियस मेळोन ताका आपलो घोराबो करूंक मेळचो. इतलें सांगून हांव काळजांतान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. जय गोवा.
The All India Congress Committee's Goa in charge, Manikrao Thakre, forecasted triumph in both the Lok Sabha constituencies in the state. Thakre said that the party will review each and every leader's work towards the party. He even asserted that the India alliance will continue and will contest future elections together. Watch.
निवडणुका झाल्यात लोकसभेच्या. गोव्यामधल्या सुद्धा 2 जागेच्या निवडणुका झाल्या आणि निवडणुकीमध्ये मी या ठिकाणी राहू शकलो नव्हतो 2 दिवस, कारण शेवटच्या पिरियडमध्ये राहता येत नाही. आणि त्यानंतर तिथे नेमकं कसं मतदान झालं, काय झालं, तसं प्रमुखांशी सर्वांसोबत चर्चा करण्याच्या उद्देशानं आज मी गोव्यामध्ये आलो आणि सर्वांशी सकाळपासून सर्वांशी चर्चा केली की नेमकं काय परिस्थिती आहे आणि पुढे संघटनेसुद्धा काय आपल्याला पावलं उचलायला पाहिजे, त्याही संदर्भात चर्चा झाली. एकूण चांगली चर्चा झाली. बराच वेळेपर्यंत आम्ही चर्चा करत होतो. परत आता 4 वाजता जे महत्त्वाचा जो कार्यक्रम आहे, जो उद्देश की गोव्याच्या संदर्भामध्ये जे या ठिकाणी गोव्याची निर्मिती झाली, त्याही दृष्टिकोनातून जो कार्यक्रम आयोजन केला होता, म्हणजे लिमिटेड मर्यादित कार्यक्रम आहे, असं काही फार मोठा कार्यक्रम घेतलेला नाही. पण त्यालाही मी 4 वाजता उपस्थित राहणार. स्थानिक सर्व नेते त्या कार्यक्रमाला उपस्थित राहणार.
सगळ्यांनी काम केलं नाही इलेक्शनला, काय
काँग्रेसच्या सगळ्या कार्यकर्त्यांनी काम केलं. आता याच्यानंतर आमच्याकडे जे काही रिपोर्टिंग कोणी काम एखाद्याने केलं नसेल तर ते अद्यापपर्यंत काही आलं नाही. त्याची माहिती मिळेलच. पण एकूणच कुठल्या विधानसभा क्षेत्रामध्ये कशा पद्धतीनं काम झालं, कशा पद्धतीनं मतदान झालं याच्याबद्दलचा सर्वसाधारण एक चर्चा आढावा त्या संदर्भात घेतला.
म्हणजे काय जिकायची कसं काय आहे, अजून कॉन्फिडन्स कसं आहे तुमचं?
100% दोन्ही काँग्रेसच्या सीटा लागतील अशा प्रकारचा विश्वास स्थानिक नेते आणि कार्यकर्त्यांनी दिलेला आहे. आम्हाला खात्री आहे ज्या पद्धतीनं BJPचं जे अलीकडे आपण पंतप्रधान मोदींचे सुद्धा स्टेटमेंट आपण ऐकतो सर्व, तर त्या स्टेटमेंटवरून तर त्यांच्या पायाखालची वाळू सरकायला लागली की ते स्पष्ट झालेलं आहे. देशामध्ये सुद्धा त्यांनी जे स्टेटमेंट केली ते स्टेटमेंट पाहिल्यावर पंतप्रधानांच्या तोंडामध्ये अशा प्रकारची स्टेटमेंट त्यावरून किती घाबरलेल्या अवस्थेमध्ये आहेत. जी 400 जागा म्हणून ते म्हणत होते, परंतु या ठिकाणी 400 जागा तर सोडाच, पण बहुमतसुद्धा त्यांना मिळणार नाही अशा प्रकारची स्थिती आज संपूर्ण देशामध्ये निर्माण झालेली आहे. आणि त्या पद्धतीनंच आज त्यांचा जो प्रचार आहे चुकीच्या आधारावर प्रचार आहे, अत्यंत खोटेपणा त्या ठिकाणी सातत्यानं लोकांसमोर मांडून काहीतरी आता आपली बाजू सावरण्याचा प्रयत्न करत आहेत. पण जनता त्यांच्यापासून त्रस्त झालेली आहे. जी आश्वासनं त्यांनी दिलेली कुठलीही आश्वासनं त्यांनी पूर्ण केलेली नाही आहेत. पण अशा परिस्थितीमध्ये जनता त्यांच्यासोबत नाही आहे ते चित्र निर्माण झालेलं आहे. ते कितीही प्रयत्न करत असतील, वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने त्यांचे प्रयत्न चालू आहेत.
With regards to the rift between the Art and Culture Minister, the Goa Assembly Speaker Ramesh Tawwadkar on Friday criticized Minister Gowde, labeling him as unpredictable. Tawwadkar said that you may never know when a person can change. Tawwadkar is also calls for wise disbursement of the tribal welfare scheme funds to every individual of the community.
तशें म्हजे वैयक्तीक हें कांय ना, पूण केन्ना केन्ना कितें आसा कांय जाणांचो स्वभावाचो दोश आसता. त्यामुळे दुसरी मनशाचें तकलेंत कितें आसता तें कांय खबर नासता. लक्षांत आतां खांद्याक खांद मारून आमी काम केल्लें केन्ना मनीस केन्ना बदलता तें सांगपाक येना. त्यामुळे तो ताजो दोश आसूं येता, ताजे बरें आसा, तो म्हाजो दोश आसता, म्हाजो बरें आसा. त्यामुळे ताजेर शेवटी तो मनीस केन्ना बदलतो आनी केन्ना तो कांय सांगपाक येना. त्यामुळे तशें वैयक्तीक हें कांयच ना. केन्ना केन्ना उजरो हांवें सांगलें पळय तुमकां की वाद खंयच्यान सुरू जालो. म्हणजे कांय घरांत कितें सुरवात केली म्हणजे एखादी मूय सुद्दां की ताका पांयाक जर तिका राग येता, राग येना आसता तरी जाय ती खबर आसा म्हणून म्हणटलो म्हणून खबर आसा तरी आसा ती चावना. बरोबर काय न्ही. ह्या वाटेक कशें आहा की हांव सभापती आसतना सुद्दां म्हणजे गव्हर्मेंटाचो स्पिकर आसून सुद्दां म्हज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी वचून म्हणजे एखादी जर एखाद्या डिपार्टमेंटान एखाद्या सरकाराक जर खिरापत वाडपाचें आसा, खिरापत एखाद्या स्किमींतल्यान खिरापत वाडपाचें आसा म्हणून समजा आर्ट एंड कल्चर स्पेशल ग्रांट ही आसा न्ही खिरापत वाडपाचें आसा. प्रत्येक मंत्री आपल्याला मतदारसंघात तुमी जाल्यार डॉक्युमेंटेशन काडून घेवन म्हणजे आपल्या मतदारसंघात कशें खिरापत काडटा ते म्हणजे आपल्या जाय त्या एखाद्या संस्थेक 2 लाख दितले, 4 लाख दितले, 5 लाख दितले ताका येना. बरोबर काय न्ही. म्हणजे म्हाका तर दिसता हांव स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर आसतना जे कांय हाडाचे जे कार्यकर्ते अनेक वर्सां काम करतात ते अनेक वर्सां संस्थे काम करतात तांकां आपण हाडून तांकां खबरे म्हणून सांगता किंवा तुमी हें काम करात अशें आर्थीक मदत आमी करतात. बरोबर काय. आनी त्या वाटेर म्हणजे हांव सभापती आसतना सरकाराचो भाग आसून सुद्दां आसा न्ही म्हणजे म्हाका खबर नासतना सुद्दां आसा न्ही की त्या संस्थांक पयशे दिले आसतना वा विधानसभेच्या कालखंडाक आयलो तो पळय ताजें इंटेन्शन घेतलें म्हाका खबर. ट्रायबल सपनाचे पयशे आसा न्ही पळय एक गजाल कशें आहा एक गजाल आमी मानून घेवपाक जाय. ट्रायबल सपनाचे पयशे खर्च जायना अशें ना, पूण आमी ट्रायबल जे लिडर आसा सगळ्यांनी म्हणजे आमकां खंय पयशे खर्च करपाक जाय प्रस्ताव जे आसा ते सरकारा समोर दिवपाक जाय. म्हाका आमचे समजा हांव समजा ट्रायबल लिडर आसा जाल्यार जाय म्हाका जर खबर आसत जाय जाल्यार ते प्रस्ताव दिवपाक जाय. समज गोविंद गावडे खबर आसा ताणें दिवपाक जाय, प्रकाश वेग आसा जाल्यार ती ताणें दिवपाक. सगळ्यांनी आमी जर एक दिले आसत तरी जाय जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता ट्रायबल सपन्यांचे पयशे खर्च जावपाक कांयच अडचण ना.
Minister Rohan Conte said that the work on the Giri Poruri flyover will begin only after a review meeting with the Chief Minister. Minister even said that the work will start only after all directions by the Chief Minister are abided and is sure to consider inputs from the Panchayat. Listen in.
We have asked them to submit their plan. We need to have one meeting with the Chief Minister to review the whole highway plan. तांचो प्लॅन कितें आसतलो आनी आमी पयली एक प्रिलिमिनरी मीटिंग घेतल्या हायवे ऑथॉरिटीजां कडेन आनी द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर एंड कन्सल्टंट बट आय बिलीव द कन्सल्टंट नीड्स टू अंडरस्टँड अलॉंग विथ द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर द फिजिबिलिटी स्टडी कित्याक एक वरान कितल्यो गाडयो ऑफ पीक आनी पीक आवर्स वता ताजेर ताका कळपाक जाय की मुवमेंटम कसो जावंक जाय वी आर इन द मोड ऑफ स्टार्टिंग ऑल्टरनेट रोड्स जे सायडीक न्यू रोड्स तयार करपाक घेतल्या ऑलरेडी आनी ते तयार जाले जाल्यार खूब तरेन ट्रॅफिक गर्दी स्ट्रीमलायन जातली पूण हे सगळे मुख्यमंत्री जेन्ना रिव्ह्यू घेतलो ताज्या मागीरूच नेसेसरी डायरेक्शन्स कंप्लाय जातले तेन्नाच हायवेची कामां चालू जातली सो ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान रेजिडेंट्स ऑफ करोली शूड नॉट वरी की ऑर इन एन्झायटी मोड की कामां सुरू जाली काय म्हणून आनी हे आमी मुख्यमंत्र्याक रिक्वेस्ट केला की सगळे डायरेक्शन्स कंप्लीट जाले कॉर्डिनेशन जाले जाल्यार पंचायतीचे व्ह्यूज घेवन स्पेशली सुदूर पंचायती लागतात त्यो तांचे व्यू पॉइंट्स घेवन कंप्लीट करचे सो दॅट देर इज मिनिमल डिस्टर्बन्स व्हेन द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वर्क स्टार्ट्स.
Revenue Minister Babush Montserrat, while speaking on the farmer job fiasco, said that the government will amend the Labour Act in the next assembly session. The minister even said that the notice has been issued to 2 farmer companies for violating rules. Listen in.
पहिले सध्या केन्नाय रिक्रुटमेंट आसता कंपनीचे कंपनी शूड सेंड वॉट इज देयर रिक्वायरमेंट टू द एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज फर्स्ट and then afterwards employment exchange also sponsors candidates. Now this has not been done. Now for whatever, now this has not been done. As per the law of as per legal this thing in labor law, that what is the fine actually? Fine is just 500. So they can easily get over it. So now whatever we are going to do amendment to that this thing, where severe penalties is imposed on any of this. Because that is a part of the job that they have got to send it to the our employment exchange, their recruitment. No. Difficulties are aspak jane kidak. There is no question of difficulty aspak. You just follow the law, the amendment, whatever is in the act. Follow the labor act. That's what we are trying to say. You are not doing that.
तुमचे कडेन अपॉइंटमेंट बीन कितें घेवप कारण ते सीएमाक मेळपाचें आसा अशें तांचे कितें तरी फाटल्या दिसांनी चलतालें.
मेळोन दी सीएमाक देयर नो प्रॉब्लम. We will also meet CM because we need to get some amendment to be more stricter as far as the employment exchange is concerned. And because as far as what this thing called unorganized sector also, that also we are going to do some changes in that. Which has come to our notice is these 2 companies which have pharmaceutical company who has basically advertised in other state for basically jobs in Goa. So first basically you need to test, you need to check whether in Goa whether the workforce is available or not. Then after this thing, but you should give an opportunity for everyone to see. Then since your factory is or your establishment is registered in Goa, so it is your bound
पहिले preference मेळपाक जाय आशिल्लें.
No, it's a bound reference मेळपाक is a different issue. The thing is what happened, you need to basically inform the department that Baba these are the vacancies. Then we will sponsor some candidates. Whether those candidates are fit and all, then after you decide. That is not a problem. We are not telling you to take people, but we are telling you to just follow the rules. That's what I'm trying to say. See, what we need to do. Now, any companies whichever come, the workforce, what is their requirement? What is that board, which is that
investment
promotion board. At investment promotion board, investment promotion board basically anything which they approve, they should actually just send it to the labor department. That at least one copy to the labor department, employment department, saying that these are the factories which intend to come. So if the factories are if anyone intends to put up a factory here, whatever the workforce, what they require, their requirement is. So at least we can send our people for training to do that. And then after, because if you don't have a trained staff, then it will become, so then you give a chance to the companies to say that whatever our requirement is, that they were not fit for our requirement. So that is what we are trying to do. We will speak to the CM also. It is good that CM took note of this.
Goa's first water meter testing lab was inaugurated at Panjim on Friday, wherein any problems related to the water meters of any household will be tested at the lab. This lab will ensure that no citizen faces any sort of problems regarding their water meters. This lab not only tackles problems of Panjim residents, but also the residents of other parts of Goa.
Hello. This is the first test bench where we can test water meters over here. Each company water we can test it over here, and I will show you the machine, how it works and how it goes. So this machine is having a tank of 3000 liters, which stores 3000 liters water, and which is used for 3 months. After 3 months we have to refill it, and we can install 10 meters at a time on this line and 10 meters on this line at a time. 10 meters can be checked over here. It is having 2 pumps, and we pass water through these meters, and we can get accurate reading, and we can check that is the meter running fast or slow, and we give a test report over here, from which the meter you can come to know that meter is working completely.
So this is regarding the Panjim meter.
Yes, Panjim smart meters.
Smart meters.
Yes.
So 10 meters in the sense, which 10 meters, which particular locations?
10 pieces of meter.
Okay.
So if a person comes over here complaining that I am getting a bill in a higher amount and I need to check my meter, firstly we go to their place, we look for leakage over there. If there is no leakage, we get the meter over here, we test it over here, we give them a test report, and thereafter solve the issue.
Okay. At a time 10 meters can be checked?
10 meters can be tested.
Okay. These are the just prototype?
This is a fully automatic machine, and you just need to install machines over here and give some commands over in the control panel over there, and it starts automatically.
So how much time does it take to check 1 meter?
There are 2-3 types of parameters you can check. You can check it in half an hour, you can check it in 1 hour, you can check it in 2 hours also. So big meters are almost there checked for 1.5 hours. 1 hour, half hour.
This is pointed at Panjim. This meter is pointed.
This is only for the Panjim city, right?
Yes. Right now we have installed only 3094 meters in the city, and we are planning to install in whole CCP area.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is the first project.
This is the first project in whole Goa, and this is the first test bench in Goa.
Okay. And where other places are you thinking?
In Pune, in Pimpri-Chinchwad, we are having test bench over there.
Goa? In Goa?
No, Goa, this is the first bench.
So you will be installing more?
No. This bench is more than enough, yes.
So if someone has a problem in Maksar, they can come over here?
Yes. Anyone can come over here.
Entire
Goa can come over here, and they can get their meter tested. And not only smart meters, you can test your multi-jet meter also over here. Normal meter.
Upendra for Herald TV.
The IMD has announced the commencement of the rains heading towards the southwestern regions. The southwest monsoon has set in over Kerala 2 days before the normal date and over northeast India 6 days before the normal date, whereas isolated rain will prevail over north and south districts of Goa for the next 4 days. Heavy rains and thunder showers and lightning are expected to fall on the 3rd of June this year, marking the beginning of the seasonal rains in the state.
IMD has already declared the onset of southwest monsoon over Kerala today, dated 30th of May 2024. Currently, the conditions are favoring for further advance of southwest monsoon over more parts of Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep area, Kerala, and some parts of Karnataka, along with Tamil Nadu, Bay of Bengal, and other northeastern regions. Once the monsoon has already arrived in Karnataka region, we will be able to provide an accurate weather information when it is going to advance over Goa. As per today's forecast, IMD Goa has issued isolated light rain activity at 1 or 2 places for next 4 days over North and South Goa districts. From day 5 onwards, we are expecting an increased rainfall activity. So we have issued the forecast for a few places over North and South Goa districts, and the intensity will be in the light to moderate rainfall region. And in the warning, we have issued thunderstorm warning for day 5, that is on 3rd June. So we will be giving an accurate information maybe in 2 days of time regarding the advance of monsoon over Goa region. The next update will be issued tomorrow. So we will be also updating it through our website and social media platforms.
Upendra for Herald TV.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on O Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.